BJ's on his way over with the RXT. We're gonna go test it. Since the last time you guys saw it, he changed the slip ring in the pump and the oil and oil filter. And so yeah, we're going to a new lake and gonna check out the lake and see how the RXT works this time. All fueled up and ready to go. Where'd he go, buddy? Where'd he go? Oh boy. I've never been here before.
Lots of water here. Yeah, holding 8,000 RPM, way faster. I'm sure with you on it, you'll get, what did you get last time?
63?
Yeah, I had it doing 66, 67.
Really?
Yeah,
Holy.
but the water's really good.
Smooth, yeah.
Yeah, just enough drop to it. So, I'll take her for another little rip and then come back to the dock.
Rip snort. Come on. Keep going. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Holy. This is crazy. Moose. He's not mine. He belongs to the guy in the Sea-Doo. I think he'll be okay here. He can be kind of a dick.
That's okay. Cool. Boston?
Yeah.
Cute.
Good boy. I know the camera really can't pick up much because of the sun when I try to look that way, but this is really cool. See if I can get a decent shot. Moose, buddy. Holy, wow. Want to try to go down there, buddy? Come on. Moose made some friends over there.
What?
Moose made some friends over there.
He wasn't growling and being a dick?
Just being like super nice. What? What?
He's super pumped right now. He's like, man,
You
like, I'm out.
Are you going on the Sea-Doo? Are you going on the Sea-Doo? Must be some cool scenery from down there.
All the birds come out of the, what's it called?
Oh yeah? Oh, they nest in the side of the things here. Yeah.
Yeah, I got 66 miles an hour going that way.
That's moving. That's moving, moving on the waters. Oh. Oh,
Yeah, if you want to go back over to
Yeah.
the thing, well,
I think he should probably go
I
back.
have to grab my shoes and stuff out of the truck though.
Okay, let's go. Take your time. This way, this way. Good boy. Take your time. This way. I'll help you. I help you. Wah! There we go. I helped you. Keep going. Keep going. This way. Wah!
All sorts of weird shit.
He's like, I'm totally coming on there with you.
Yeah, he kind of seems that way, doesn't he?
He's like, how do I get on?
No, you can't come on here.
He's like, bullshit.
You can't come on here. What? You want to go for a ride in the Z-Doo? Yeah, you'll sit. Sit down. Sit on your butt.
Good boy.
Who's the dandy captain? Where are you taking us?
He's gonna beat you.
Oh, this is gonna be so mad at me. Captain Moose.
He seems to like it. Like, all right, folks. I'm on the water. I'm gonna give the RXT a test after Moose has tested it and BJ. They both say it's okay. I'm gonna verify their findings. This place is cool. This is where me and Moose came down and hung out with BJ. Another one of the things popped off. Yeah. What one was it last time? At the front again. Yeah, it might be like air locking and like trying to push it off.
Yeah, with the temp pressure.
Yeah. It either did it again or fouled the plug. But take it back to the dock, see what's up. That front boot does not want to stay on. BJ's out on the RXT giving it another run, and I'm walking with Moose along the hilltops. It's pretty neat here. We'll probably end up back here with the other ski that BJ bought and X2 and whatever else we get our hands on. This is a really neat spot. One neat thing about living in Calgary is there's a whole bunch of really cool lakes. It's like meadows over there, and yeah, there's all cliffs along the side, which you guys would have seen from the video. Anyway, the spark plug boot popped off on the RXT the last time we used it, or the first time we used it, I guess. So as I was saying before the battery went dead and I was rudely interrupted, the spark plug boot popped off the first time we used it. It also popped off this time, and after taking a closer look at it, it looks like the basically we had put a bunch of anti-corrosive lubricant stuff, the Bombardier stuff, in around there, and it is so slippery and there's so much of it that it's basically, oh, come on Moose, can you jump? A good boy. So there's so much of it in there that it's basically gassing when it heats up, and because the boot is sealed so well, it makes it pop off. I just realized that our vehicle isn't locked in the parking lot, so I'm going to take a walk back and take a bit of a shortcut. Anyway, if anything happens exciting, I will come back and let you guys know, but as for now, that's going to do it for this video, and I will see you guys next time.